Hi there and welcome to the introductory video about customer journey analytics. Do you know per customer who is in which channel, what products they're interested in and when they're likely to buy? Also, how can you stimulate their journey? This intro will present you a quick view how you can smartly use data and analytics to optimize business strategy. Today, we'll take Mark, a successful marketing manager, and take a closer look to his business challenges. We'll present ways how to turn these challenges into competitive advantages. So, how can Mark guide and encourage his customer? First of all, you need insight in the customer mix and customer behavior. Then, you can engage your customer in the right way and encourage his purchase by promotions and extra services. When you've got real insight in the recency, frequency and value spent of purchases per customer, analyze your opportunities and create more turnover by cross and upsells. Finally, Mark can optimize his retention rate and lower his churn rate to eventually make from each customer a real fan. But how is he going to realize this? Here, Mark has got his analytics dashboard of the customer journey, which instantly provides the status and the trends of the business. In one single overview, Mark sees what is happening in his channels, who is active and when they interact. Shortly, Mark can see the effectiveness per channel in terms of sales and returning customers and compare the results between the web, stores and discounters. Also, he has got insight in the customer segmentation to see different shopper types. Next, Mark analyzes the touchpoints of his physical stores and the web and compares the actuals with the expectations. He can drill through the amount per month or even per day. And finally, he can see the trends over a certain time period. Mark manages his organization based on KPIs, which can always be found on the right. For instance, he checks out his conversion ratio and churn rate to see whether he positively influences the customer journey and retains his fans. All in all, this SAP qualified package provides you one single overview into the customer journey. This retail storyline lets you optimally drive your business. Based on valuable insight and powerful functionality to analyze with KPIs and trends, this easy-to-use package supports managers by making fast and smart decisions. Do you want to know more about customer journey analytics? Check out our website ctac.nl or watch more videos about customer engagement or customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching.